Hi, it's Olivia again. So are you also tired of complicated strategies that require you to watch 100 indicators and try to figure out when enter the trade? So today everything will be as simple as possible, just two indicators that will give you clear and simple signals. I will show you how with just a few trades you can make nice profit right before your eyes, and the best part is even the beginner can master this strategy. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm not only show you a strategy but also give you a tip that will help you avoid blowing your account. Let's go. In this strategy, we're also using RSI, just like in one of my previous videos. It's the main indicator, but here we are using the standard period of 14. As soon as we see a bounce from the oversold zone, we enter a buy trade, guys. Today we're trading with just these two indicators. Wow, what an amazing impulse! Meanwhile, the trade has closed in profit, plus $276 in the balance, and we can confidently look for the next currency pair. By the way, guys, if you want to get the best signals, strategy breakdowns, and also trade with me, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I share my trades, run trading sessions, and also content that you won't see on YouTube. I will leave the link in the description. Don't miss the opportunity to earn with me. Here comes our next situation. What do we see here? Our second trade, and we see the price has stalled with very narrow Bollinger Bands, and now they're starting to expand. This is where RSI comes in and it shows a strong decline. So I entered the trade for the same $300 for a sell. Look at how significantly the price drops, which is why it's crucial to act quickly and not delay entering. We see that the volatility on this currency pair isn't weak, but the analysis confirms itself and the price is below our entry point, and that's what matters most for us. And just like that, while I was explaining all these, our trade enters profit. Overall, we can open a third trade now and even finish this video, because the strategy is super simple and I don't even know what more to tell you guys. So potential for a buy trade. We see how confidently RSI has gone up, and we also see that each line of the Bollinger Bands has also moved upward, indicating a price reversal and an increase. Okay, so this buy trade strategy works right before your eyes, and the price may not be going up super fast, but the strategy is proven, I think, and I'm confident this trade will enter profit. And here is the long-waited impulse. Just look how confidently the price is going up. This trade will definitely be ours. There's no way it's going into the negative now. Oh, as I said, the trade is entering profit. That's the third profit of plus $276 in this video. Well, guys, 3 trades and 3 profits. The strategy proves itself excellent. The key rule: don't complicate trading. Always use simple and understandable approach that really works. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next time.